Welcome here at Bar's Fish Tales, and I'm standing here in the kitchen of Sandro, who's the chef of the Ventisquero. And the Ventisquero is a fishing boat we're sailing off coast from Coronel in the south of Chile. We are fishing for jack mackerel. It's so delicious, and we're going to make his favorite, which is
Vamos a hacer un sándwich de jurel ahumado con guacamole.
Avocado spread, and then we have this smoked jack mackerel on top of it. It's delicious. Let's kick off. Okay, so first we will make the avocado spread. It's guacamole. How do you pronounce it? Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Guacamole. What do you need for the guacamole? Avocado?
Falta cebolla morada,
Red onion.
chile, ají verde,
One or two?
dos,
Dos. That's good. Tomate?
one tomate,
One tomato. Good. And then we have a bit of the cilantro. Those are the ingredients for the avocado spread. Sandro will clean the avocado. One or two avocado?
dos.
Two. One more. And meanwhile, I will cut half a red onion. Okay, so I've thinly sliced a red onion. So Sandro, how is life on board? What do you do on a day as a chef here on board?
La vida a bordo es buena en cuanto a trabajo, se trabaja bastante y lo otro que la gente es optimista, sobre todo en la comida.
Okay, let's continue with this one. Tomato. He's going to peel the tomatoes. So make small cubes of the tomato. So Sandro will add the tomato with the red onion. Next one, avocado. Look at this, guys. Butterfly horse mackerel, jack mackerel, and it's been smoked for 1 hour. We got this from the woman of the fisherman yesterday night. It was such an amazing meal we had. But we took this fish and we're going to top the guacamole off with that smoked mackerel. But cilantro. Chop it fine, right? You give it a bit of kick. Chili. So Sandro's style is to keep the seeds in because you want to have it spicy, right? And then cut it really fine. Chili on top of it.
Limón.
Lemon.
Sí, señor. Thank you.
Here you go, Sandro. This is the base for the guacamole. We're going to mix it. But before we need olive oil, right?
Sí.
So we add a full tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin, and then Sandro season it with a pinch of salt. Time for mix? So he's going to do it with a fork and a spoon. It's not like squeezed and it's not like a paste. So he kept the ingredients separate, but just mix it really well. So you have still this texture. So have a taste first.
Chef, okay.
Wow, fantastic. Perfect. Okay, so that's the base for the sandwich. And on top of it, we have smoked jack mackerel. And jack mackerel has this really oily flavor. It's high in omega-3, it's healthy, it's nutritious, it's delicious. What we will do is have this smoked mackerel and we take the fillets out and we just have chunks of smoked mackerel. Look at this white meat, it's so good.
Oh.
Full of flavor. And this fish is being caught here in the South Pacific. And it's a very sustainable way of fishing. It's just wonderful. This is a fishery giving the right example how we should fish for the future. So, sandwich. We were waiting for fishing all day long, 24 hours, and now we just got a sign we can go out fishing. So we'll finish the dish after we have fished the jack mackerel. Okay, come on. Guys, with such a great catch of fresh jack mackerel, and you know, fishing is always priority, but we will continue making these delicious buns and top it off with some guacamole and some smoked jack mackerel. Okay, so have some guacamole, the avocado spread, the jack mackerel on top of it. Okay, and now cucumber, bit of freshness, crunchiness, which is a fresh cucumber. And then we have cilantro. Ready? We top it off. Boom, fresh guacamole on a delicious piece of bread, which Sandro made this morning. And then we have the smoked jack mackerel. ¿Quieres probar?
Claro, sí.
Good. Cheers. Salud.
Salud.
This is so good. So we have the guacamole, the freshness, the lemon, but then we have the spiciness of the chili, the silkiness of the avocado, and topped off with this delicious jack mackerel. Thank you, Sandro, for having me in your lovely kitchen. We're here at the middle of the sea. We will sail a bit further to catch some more delicious jack mackerel, fresh. If you have any comments, any questions to Sandro, to me, please leave them down in the box below. And we hope to see you soon on another Fishy Friday. Bye. Bye-bye.